Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. The other day I made a video for somebody that's going to engrave on glass, and I mentioned that you want to run it at 80% or 70% black. I think I said 80 in the video, but 70%. And I want to start off this video by saying these are in my opinion, and these are the opinion of a lot of people on social media, Facebook, telling you how to engrave on glass. All these were run at 70 or 30 speed, 100 power. And somebody questioned, he never had heard of the 80% black. If you will look at the 100% black, this one was run at 400 dots per inch. This was run at 600. These were run at 300, which somebody else suggested. I use 4. But if you will look at the difference, and the picture really doesn't do any justification. But if you look at the 200s, especially the top one, and the picture doesn't do justice, but see how it's kind of chipped away? And on this you get, so this is 100% black run at 400 dots per inch. The 70% black is a lot smoother look, even at 300. Now at 300 dots per inch, you start getting some dotting. So that's why I've always go, and you can see some dotting there, but to the human eye, it doesn't really show up. So I run my glass, and this is window pane glass, I would think much like a cheaper wine glass would be that we all engrave. So I run mine at 70% black at 400 dots per inch. You could really do 70% black at 600 dots per inch, but this is gonna take you less time. The less time the dots have to be laid down by the laser, the quicker it's gonna run. So if you have a major run, and I've made several videos on what to do after, because this is totally different than wood. 100% black would look better on wood because it's gonna burn it. And I'm fixing to make a second video on that. Somebody asked me about grayscale. But 70% black, you can try 70, 80, 75, whatever you want. You could actually make colors at 75, but it tells you on your chart over here that this is 70% black. So when you do your engraving, just fill it in with 70% black. And you can definitely tell the difference between the two colors on the screen. So that's where I stand on it. You'll get a lot, even at this 100% black at 400 dots per inch, you get a little bit of chipping out. Like I said, again, on wood, the darker the better. And these are all RGB blacks and whatever. Anyway, I hope that clarified a little bit. Thank you for watching.